十条、東十条。お出口は右側です。This is a Keihei Tohokuman train for Okinawa. The next station is Higashijujo, Gate K37. The door on the right.